Hello everybody, how's it going? Nate right here. Today I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone on your iPhone 6 and up. Now, I'm not sure if it's the same on iOS 11, but here we go. First you go into settings. You want to go into sounds. Go to ringtone. And your normal one is called opening. Now, you scroll down and you select whichever one you want. I'm going to select radiate. And it's just that simple. On an iPhone, on a modern iPhone. Now, on an older iPhone, it's just as simple. Now you go into settings, sounds, ringtone, and it's just that easy. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.